Well, welcome back with a 2.5 magnitude earthquake that's 17 kilometers southeast of Ackerly, Texas. Happened at 3:49 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time to the 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles. If you ever to have felt this earthquake, let me know in the comment section below and from where, as I do zoom into the epicenter. Silver Spur Energy Services, Surge Energy. Gee, I wonder what they do. Probably something to do with bringing up oil or natural gas or something like that, some sort of drilling site. Because that's what this stuff is. Yeah, that's a drill site right there. That's oil pump. Oil pumps all along this area. So yeah, this is definitely a fracking-induced earthquake. So, with that, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe. Just recapping, 2.5 magnitude quake, 17 kilometers southeast of Ackerly, Texas, at 3:49 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time to the 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles. So, with that, that is it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.